Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this look here. We are using the Shades of London palette today, and this one is palette 3, so it just looks like this. A lot more kind of grey, neutral, cool tone shades in this eyeshadow palette, and I have came up with this look here. I was going to do something quite smoky and quite out there anyway today because that's kind of vibe I was kind of feeling. So yeah, thought I would go in with this. I have kept it as another kind of matte look today as well, just because all of the shimmers seem to be kind of goldeny pinky shades. So until I'm doing like a goldeny pinky look, then I'll start using the kind of shimmers. But I absolutely love playing about this palette. It was absolutely fantastic, honestly. I mainly just used the kind of greys and like the black shade in it. I didn't really go into the kind of warmer kind of browns and stuff just because I wanted to see what the greys were like. Because normally when I put on like a grey eyeshadow, it doesn't really go grey. It goes quite bluey. Don't know if anybody else finds it, but these ones are very true to colour, as you guys can see. Now, the wing's probably not perfect on either side, but this is the kind of smoky winged out vibe that I have went for today. So if you guys want to see how I created this, then just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse if this voiceover sounds a little echoey. I'm literally just doing this while I get like 5 minutes from the kids. The first product that I'm taking here is the Plouise base. Then I'm going in with the Shades of London palette. This is palette 3. It is more on the cool tone, kind of neutral, bronzy blacks, kind of colours like that all the way through it. Really nice palette. But first off, I'm just filling in my brows because I always forget to do that step or I end up skipping it out in the videos. But I am just going in with the fine soft brown eyebrow pencil. Then I'm just going in with this shade right here, and we're going to put this down as our base colour. Lucy's absolutely shouting and screaming in the background because she knows I'm trying to do a voiceover. I swear she does this to me every single time. But yeah, I'm just going all over the eyelids with this colour here. Then I'm just taking this shade here and we are just darkening up that outer edge. Now I was going to kind of freehand this and just try and do like a really smoky wing, but I didn't trust myself. So I did put a little bit of tape down just to get that precise sharp edge that I was really looking for today. Now I wanted to do like a really dark smoky elongated kind of wing look because one, I was going to turn this into a Halloween look and then I've actually ended up not, but anyway, still wanted to film the look, still wanted to put it out. 2, I really wanted to do a nice smoky look anyway because I haven't really done it, and I wanted to play about with the greys and the blacks because I always find that greys sometimes show up really blue, like with eyeshadows and stuff. Like, I don't know if anybody else has that issue, but it's definitely an issue that I have. So I wanted to see if these colours actually worked true to their actual tone. And straight up, guys, as you can see here, they do. The greys are grey, they're not blue. The blacks are black, they're not like ashy or anything like that. And that is what I love about this palette. So I am now just taking the darkest tone in this palette, which is the black, and it is super pigmented, really easy to blend, and this is the colour that we're using now. As you can see, I'm smoking out my lash line here, and we're just making this really vampy, smoky, and just kind of grungy, to be fair. That's the kind of look I was going for today. So we're just blending this right out, blending the light grey into that dark grey, then I remove the tape, and I'm like, wow, that was super sharp. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of a black eyeliner and I'm just tightlining my top lash line here. I do go back and forth a little bit and I am making that outer edge a little bit darker and a little bit deeper and just blending it a little bit more. Also just come back and forth making sure that everything's blended and quite seamless. But I didn't want to blend it too much because black and greys can get pretty messy when you continuously blend them. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer under that and I'm just making sure that that line is super sharp and precise so that I can do my lower lash line as well because I wanted to smoke that right out as well and put a little bit of black liner. So I'm just applying some mascara here, getting ready for the little lashes that I'm putting on as well. Then I'm just going in with some black eyeliner And as I said, I'm just going to smoke out that lower lash line as well. Now these lashes, again, they're a trio from Plouise. I continuously keep on going back to these because they're super easy to apply. So I just keep using these, but they're fantastic. Now I'm just throwing on a quick lip. I think this is Boy Bye Lipliner by Doll Beauty. And I'm also going in with a really, really light Plouise like lip gloss thing. I think it was actually from the little lip palette that she brought out a good while ago. But I'm just going in with that. Again, I'm keeping the lip pretty matte as well. And at this point, Lucy came in and wanted to join in. So I was just kind of laughing at the fact that I was nearly done and I could just get up and go without having to put swatches and everything all over the girls because they love doing that as well. Anyway, I'm just finishing up that lower lash line and this is the look. I hope you guys love it. I fairly enjoyed playing about this palette, guys. It's phenomenal. If you purchase anything, definitely purchase this if you're into these cool tone shades. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.